Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning, organizing, and sanitizing my bathroom. You guys know I had some extensive water damage in here, so we had contractors in and out, and I've had to move my things in and out several times, which has left a huge mess and everything is really unorganized. So I am so excited to tackle all of that today. If you're interested, stay tuned. First thing I'm going to do is remove the shower curtain and take out all of the bath mats and anything else that needs to be washed, and I'm going to put everything in the washing machine before I get started. That way, once everything is clean and organized, I can hang my shower curtain right back up and put my bath mats back. You can actually wash the shower liner by putting it in with a load of towels, but I bought a new one, which you will see later on.
In time the light will fade. Don't you know I worry about you all the time? Anytime you wanna leave tonight, the morning comes and goes, but I'll always be your shoulder What a way to go. This incarnation is really wide. The air is getting warm. I know you're the worrying kind. And is there any way? Or do you like not being found? In time the light will fade. Don't you know I worry about you all the time, all the time, all the time, all the time. Don't you know I worry about you?
Once I have finished cleaning my mirrors with my sprayway and cleaning my countertops with my Fabuloso, I am going to tackle the drawers I have in my bathroom. These drawers pretty much stay organized for the most part, but I just wanted to wipe them out and sort through them a little bit and get rid of anything that is empty or that I'm just not using or I feel is expired.
So all you lucky ones, what up? You're always on the run, what up? I mean, don't get me wrong, but what up? Or was I not the one you dreamt of? No, 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 'cause the life you live will never be enough. Why don't you stop for a minute?
Okay, now for the fun part. I don't have a linen closet in my apartment. What I do have are these shelves, and I have to utilize these shelves to store towels, washcloths, and extra toiletry items that won't fit under my sink. So the first step in organizing any area is to take everything out, clean the area, and then set everything up the way you want it, and then sort through everything and put everything back. So that is what you will see next. I purchased these baskets from Home Goods very recently, so if you're interested, they're probably still there. They were $10, which was a really good price. I was looking for a while for baskets that were affordable because if you have to buy 4 or 5 baskets, that can add up really quickly. The smaller ones were $8. I really like these because they have a coating on the inside of the fabric, so if something spills, which it probably will, you can just wipe it out and the fabric isn't stained and ruined. Ever get mad at yourself when you're taking a shower and you use a product and find out that it's empty? Yeah, that's me. So I am taking a minute to sort through everything on my shower caddy and get rid of anything that is empty or I just don't reach for very often. And I'm playing with the products that I keep up here because I don't wash my hair very often. I wash my hair like once every 2 to 3 weeks. If you have curly hair, you know wash day doesn't come very often, but when it does, it's a whole to-do. So I don't really need to keep shampoo and conditioner here because I don't reach for it every single day. So I end up switching out the products that I have on my shower caddy to just include shower essentials, and then when I am going to wash my hair, I pull the products from a different storage area. Below. What type of music do you listen to when you're cleaning? Do you have a playlist? Do you listen to one artist or several artists? Is it all in the same genre or is it different genres? Let me know. I really want to know, for real. So I, like I said, am a 90s R&B girl all the way. I will blast 90s R&B, sing to the top of my lungs, and become the person in the song while I'm scrubbing the toilet.
You told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones and be wild, 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 wild. feel that this is your beginning. Will colors fade, but it's okay. There is good in changes. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm.
Once the toilet is clean, I'm going to tackle the floors. A new laundry basket from Home Goods as well. It's neutral and blends into the background, which I really enjoy. I am wiping down this little 3-drawer organization thing next to the laundry basket. This was actually in Ethan's nursery initially, so it kind of doesn't go with the vibe I have going in here, so I'm still on the hunt for something that matches a little bit better.
Honey, honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me.
I was really bummed when this over-the-door hook did not work for my door frame. The door wouldn't close, so I ended up just hanging it off of one of the baskets, and my robes are hung there and they haven't fallen yet. So, little hack.
Can you handle it? Right? Do you want it?
A little tip for when you're hanging your shower curtain, do both ends first and then do the middle. My shower liner ended up being a little bit too long for my shower curtain, so I had to double the end hole.
Where you wanna go? The things that we can do don't need to prove you know. Honey, honey, I got what you want. Yeah, under the night sky.
And we are all done. I am so pleased with how everything turned out. It's so much more relaxing to be in here now that everything is organized and functional.
Don't play with me. So do you want it?
For watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. Hit the like button and the post notification bell. It really helps my channel out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!